voor Martinez Muller. En hier kom die mannen nou, die groen vlaggie is daar. Wacht voor die groen vlaggie op de waai. En allemaal wel druk. Allemaal wel die er waar van mij. En Frans Wijnenbrug. Er is geen eerst. Lukt aan die achterkant. Nou zo. Hij weet maar kijk maar. Hij weet dat Martinez Muller is kort op zijn hakken. En hij moet hard rijden om hem achterop te houden. En John Junior is een koppak. Second, Martinez Muller. Besides, there's a better space there. He's going to come there as well. Martinez behind Vasaki is John Junior. That's Bernard Vessel. That's Rashida. And they're running right out towards the outside of that center. That has been taken out of this one. So Leo Lupi will lead them around. The SA2 title holder is going to be in that second position. That will be Johan Vasaki from Bernard Vessel. Now, do they bring out the finish line? Not go into the pits. They need to start, come across the start-finish line. Alright, here they come through now. Well done, Leo Lupi. A very good drive by Elro Voljoen. Van Rijks is checking to see if the car is running right, and no, it definitely is not. Martinez Muller, the SA2 title holder, will come through. He will take a second position in his first heat. Well done, Martinez Muller. That's Johan Vasaki, Bernard Vessels, Leon Bashir, Gabi Hendricks.